Pop! What's up? Where are you? Mumbai. Oh, cool. What are you doing there? What? Stuck up in traffic. Oh, aren't you aware of honk more, wait more? Are you aware of it?
We people have this unusual behavior at the traffic by honking. Whether there is green signal or red signal, or whenever there is traffic jam. Honking not only causes sound pollution but also hurts our eardrums, increases our heart rate, and even stress. Today in this video, let us see how this Mumbai traffic police came up with a solution for this problem. Stay tuned. Mumbai police came with an idea of honk more, wait more concept, which will be soon implemented in Bengaluru, one of the most traffic congested city in the world. Mumbai police have installed DecibelMeter at certain signals where considerable amount of honking was noticed. There was some video out which shows how the decibel level, if went above 85 decibels, the signal would restart and the people would wait for the longer time. An innovative idea from Mumbai police. Appreciations. I know most of the people are not aware of this one. Share this video with your friends. I will explain how this concept works. This decibel meter, which is also known as sound meter, consists of a mic which picks up the sound and converts into electrical signal, followed by which we have got electronic circuit for operations on the signal so that the desired characteristics of the signal can be measured. This meter is calibrated to measure the sound level in terms of dBs, that is decibel. Decibel is a term used to describe the sound levels. The output of decibel meter is given to the comparator to check the sound level. If the sound level is above 85 decibel, the signal would reset the counter. So you have to wait a longer duration in a red signal. Meditate instead of honking at the signal. See you in the next video.